Hello everybody, I'll be talking about how to solve equations with two variables here. The elimination process. So elimination is basically when you got two equations with two variables such as these, and you make one variable the opposite of the other so that you may have one variable left on each side, and you may make them equal to each other so that you can solve it. So let's start with number one here. Alright, I'll just delete this really quickly. Alright, so 2y plus 5x equals 17, negative 2y plus 8x equals 21. The 2y and the negative 2y, we can just cancel them out. So that leaves us with 13x equals 38. Let's write that down here. 38. Meaning our x is going to be 38 over 13. Just like that. Now, from the x-coordinate, we can actually find out what the y is. So just plug it in for either one. 38 over 13. It's not really a simplified number, but so 38 times 5, it's going to give me 190 over 13. So 190 over 13, that's for, 190 over 13. We're going to calculate the value of that. So that sums up to be about 14.6, let's say. We're gonna do 17 minus this number because we're putting it to the other side. 17 minus 14.6 is going to be 2.4. And I could have done that in my head, but yeah, whatever. So that means since we got 2.4 by putting the x value over here, that means 2y equals 2.4, meaning dividing both sides by 2, we have y equals 1.2. I just divided 2.4 by 2, which gave me 1.2, meaning the y equals 1.2. And from here, you can see that the question actually asks us, find the point of intersection. What we'll do for that is, basically it's really easy. First, I'll just write 38 over 13 as a decimal, just so it looks neater. 2.1 repeating. Oh wait, sorry, 13. 38 over 13. Wrote the wrong number. 2.9, let's say, rounding it. So x equals 2.9. Yep. We're gonna get rid of this. So these are my two coordinates here. And remember, it says find the point of intersection, and basically what you have to do is plug these two values in a matter that it'll be x comma y, because that is the correct form to write a point on a given graph. So we're just gonna write 2.9 comma 1.2. Put these in parentheses, and that's gonna be the answer right there. Let's highlight that. Oh, well, I meant to do this, but yeah, whatever. This is the answer for this value right here. For a second one, actually, I want you to do it in your head, or not in your head. You can take out some paper. But the trick to this is, just saying it quickly, it doesn't just show up as 2y and negative 2y, so you can't just automatically cancel them out. Meaning you'll have to multiply this equation by a certain number to get either the 4y to a negative 8y, or multiply this equation by a certain number to get the 3x to a negative 6x. Meaning you'd have to multiply this one by negative 2, right, to get negative 6. Or if you want to get negative 8 to cancel that with the y, then you'd have to multiply